Find the equation of the tangent plane at -1, 4, -2. To the sphere -2x. I think ये क्वेश्चन हो जाएगा -4y plus 2z minus 3 is equal to 0. So what you have to do? You have to, here x1 is -1, y1 is 4, and z1 is -2. So what we know? So to find the equation of tangent plane, we change x square to xx1, y square to yy1, z square to zz1, right? Then further we change x to x plus x1 by 2 and y to y plus y1 by 2 and z to z plus z1 by 2. So therefore, what is the equation of tangent plane? So we denote it by S1. So S1 is what? X square. X square को change करेंगे x x1. x1 is -1 plus y y1. y1 is 4. z1 is -2. Then -2 x plus x1. But x1 के साथ minus sign है. Then -4. So -4 y y1 plus 2z. Z is how much? -3 is equal to 0. Is it clear, beta, all of you? Y plus y1. So this will be y plus 4. Beta, clear?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can solve this one and you can find the result. Now the second question is, show that the plane, so this is the plane, touches the sphere. So how will you show that this touches the sphere?
मैम जो हमने प्रॉपर्टी की थी कि परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस
Yes.
सेंटर की
So
प्लेन से
you can, I mean, अगर वो प्रॉपर्टी याद नहीं, रिजल्ट याद रखना है, तो you can simply start with, you can find the center of the sphere. So I'll not solve this question, you know it. So here, just let me, for the second part, I need the center. So what is the center of the sphere? Center of the sphere is, if you see, coefficient of x is -2. So negative half the coefficient of x. So this is 1. Then again -2 and again -1. So this is the center of the sphere. And radius of the sphere will be 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4 plus 1. अब अगर आप देखो 3 इस तरफ है, जब 3 इधर आएगा तो -3 हो जाएगा, तो +3 हो जाएगा. So this is 9. So this is 3. So please, examination point of view, you should write clearly. Let C be the center of the sphere, R be the radius of the sphere. Therefore, C is what? 1, 2, -1. R is equal to 3. Is it fine? So what you will show? You will show the perpendicular distance from the center to this plane. This will turn out to be 3. So this will prove that the given plane touches the sphere. Now you have to find, so always draw the geometry, things will be easy. So now what do you have to find? You have to find the equation, the point of the contact. So you see, this is the center of the sphere. हमने क्या किया? Perpendicular गिराया point of the contact पे, तो this is the tangent plane. So center की coordinate हमें पता है 1, 2, -1. So let point of contact be P. So therefore, what is equation of CP? And CP is perpendicular to the plane. So we will write the equation of CP. So हमें पता है CP C से pass कर रही है. So center से pass कर रही है. So x -1, y -2, z +1 over. What are the direction ratios of CP? What are the direction ratios of the CP?
मैम प्लेन के नॉर्मल की
Plane
होंगी
के
ना.
normal के. So you see, CP is perpendicular to the plane. CP is perpendicular to the plane. तो plane के जो normal के direction ratios कौन से होते हैं? Again I am repeating, उसके coefficients. तो देखो x का कोफिशिएंट कितना हो गया 2, y का कोफिशिएंट -2 और z का कोफिशिएंट कितना हो गया 1, एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू k से. So now any point is what? x की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई 2k plus 1 minus 2k plus 2 and k minus 1. And this point is P if it lies on the plane. So हमें पता है P point क्या है? P point is the point of contact of the plane and sphere. Again you can put this point in the sphere also, but you see उससे क्या होगा कि quadratic equation बन जाएगी, solve करने में ज़्यादा time लगेगा. So this is the reason we put it in the sphere, in the equation of the plane. So you see what is the equation of plane? 2x, x की वैल्यू कितनी है 2k plus 1 minus 2y, y की वैल्यू कितनी है minus 2k plus 2 and z plus z. So z की वैल्यू कितनी है k minus 1 plus 12 is equal to 0. So from here you can solve the value of k. So k will turn out to be -1. So moment k is -1, you can put back. So you see this is 4k plus 4k is 8k, 8k plus k is 9k. So 9k and here 2 minus 4. So this will be plus 2 and plus 2 minus 1 is plus 1. This is 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Okay, this is -1, -3. So 12 minus 3 is 9. So you see this is 9 is equal to 0. So from here k is -1. So therefore what is the point P? K की वैल्यू अगर हम -1 पुट करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा -1, 4 and -2. So this is the point of contact. But is it clear all of you? So these kind of questions are important from examination point of view. So if you see next question, find the two tangent planes to this sphere. Find two tangent planes to the sphere which are parallel to the plane 2x plus 2y is equal to z. So you see, first of all, what is the equation of plane parallel to 2x plus 2y plus is equal to z? क्या होती है? Parallel lines की equation में क्या फर्क होता है?
Constant.
Constant का.
Different.
So if you see 2x plus 2y, z को इधर ले आते हैं, plus k is equal to 0. Right, so therefore this is the equation of tangent plane. Therefore the equation of tangent plane is 1. This is plane. So that's it. So now you know this is the tangent plane. Sphere is given to you. So k की वैल्यू कैसे निकालोगे? k की वैल्यू कैसे निकालोगे?
मैम वही पहले वाली
वही
property.
same चीज. Perpendicular distance from the center of the sphere to the plane given in equation 1 is equal to radius. So you can solve this. So वहां से k की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी. So k की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी तो दोनों planes मिल जाएंगे. Now what about example 4? Obtain the equations to the sphere. अब हमें sphere की equation निकालनी है which passes through the circle. So now if you see which passes through the circle, so we know circle means what? Sphere and a plane. And we know अगर हमें circle दिया हो, so what is the sphere? So required sphere is क्या होता है? क्या बनेगा अगर हमें sphere और एक circle एक plane दी हुई है? So this is x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 2y plus 4z minus 3 plus k times the equation of the plane. So you see this is the required sphere. Now what we want? This sphere. So let me name this as S. So हमें k की वैल्यू चाहिए. Now S touches the plane. 3x plus 4y minus 14 is equal to 0. So that's it. So therefore perpendicular distance from the center to the plane is equal to radius. That's it. So ये जो आपका S है, इसका सेंटर निकाल लो, इसका रेडियस निकाल लो, और आपको प्लेन पता है, सो प्लेन के ऊपर सेंटर को पुट करेंगे, परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस निकालेंगे, दैट शुड बी इक्वल टू द रेडियस. तो के में इक्वेशन मिल जाएगी, के की वैल्यूज मिल जाएंगी, स्फीयर मिल जाएगा. हो जाएगा क्वेश्चन बेटा? बेटा हो जाएगा
Yes.
सॉल्व? ओके. So what about fifth example? Obtain the equation of the tangent plane. अब हमें tangent plane निकालनी है to the sphere. Now sphere is given to us, right, which passes through the line. So now if you see, हमें उल्टा given है. What is given to me? That you have to find the tangent plane. So the plane is the tangent plane, and it is tangent plane to this sphere, and this tangent plane passes through these lines. Now if you see, passes through, अब अगर देखो यहाँ से दो लाइन से बना सकती हूँ. So if you see, I will take the first equality. So this is equal to 3z. That is what you get. अगर मैं सब कुछ एक तरफ ले जाऊं, so 3x plus 3z minus 48 is equal to 0. That is x plus z minus 16 is equal to 0. And it also passes through what is the second equation? Let me take 3z is equal to 2y plus 30. Choice is yours. You could have taken this one and this one also, first and third also. कोई भी दो equations लेनी है हमने. You can take any two equations. So what will this equation give me? So this equation will give me 2y minus 3z plus 30 is equal to 0. Now you see, the tangent plane passes through these two lines. So we know any plane passing through two lines. अगर मेरे पास कोई दो lines हैं, L1 and L2, then equation of plane through the lines L1, L2 is L1 plus K times L2. जैसे हम sphere के केस में करते हैं. So you see, this is that plane. This will be an equation of plane because उसमें x, y, z तीनों की terms आ जाएंगी. And if you see, अगर L1, L2 दोनों 0 हैं तो plane भी 0 है. तो basically ये एक तरह से तीनों की intersection में lie करेगी. So you see what we get. So therefore equation of plane is what? पहली line की equation. So x plus z minus 16 plus the second line equation 2y minus 3z plus 30 is equal to 0. Now if you see, this third equation is the tangent plane. So this third equation is the tangent plane. तो क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? Now since third is the tangent plane, तो क्या होगा बेटा?
मैम वही पहले
वही वाला केस. So therefore perpendicular distance from the center to the radius, so therefore perpendicular distance from C to 3 is equal to R. तो इससे पहले आपको डिफाइन करना है, let C be the center of the sphere and R be the radius of the sphere. Then only you can write this line. So you see, what is the center of the sphere? Center of the sphere कितना है? -3, 0, 1. And what is R? Under root हो जाएगा इनका 9 plus 0 square is 0, 1 square is 1, and constant term is plus 1. This will be -1. So this is 3. So therefore, what you get? Now, if you see plane, what is the equation of the plane? I'm directly writing x का coefficient is x. Only one term of x is coming. So x की जगह -3 plus. Now, if you see, what is the coefficient of y? Y का coefficient is 2k. Y coefficient is 2k. So 2k into y. Y is 0. Center पे y 0 है. Plus. z का कोएफिशिएंट यहाँ से तो आ गया 1 और यहाँ से आ गया -3k. So 1 minus 3k into z. Z value is 1. And what about the constant term? Constant term is -16 plus 30k. Over under root of, if you see x का coefficient 1 था, so 1 square is 1 plus y का coefficient कितना था 2k. 2k का coefficient square कितना हो गया 4k square और z का coefficient कितना था 1 minus 3k. And this distance is equal to 3. So we can solve this. So this is what? This is what? So this term is 0. This is gone. So यहाँ से कितना हो गया -3k plus 30k. So this is 27k. So 30 minus 3 is 27k. And this is -13 minus 16 is -19 and -19 plus 1 is -18. So this is equal to 3 into under root of. इसको भी solve कर लेते हैं. So this will be what? 9k. So this will be 9k square plus 1 minus 6k. So this is 9 plus 4 is 13k square. And 1 plus 1 will be 2 minus 6k. So what we can do now is we can square both the sides. So 27k minus 18 का whole square is equal to 9 into 13k square plus 2 minus 6k. So यहाँ से if you see 9 is coming common, but जब 9 बाहर आएगा तो 9 square बाहर आ जाएगा. Because ऊपर square है तो अंदर क्या बच गया 3k minus 2 whole square is equal to 9 13k square plus 2 minus 6k. So if you see 1 9 is gone. So this is how much? 9k square plus 4 minus 12k is equal to 13k square plus 2 minus 6k. So this is 81k square plus 36 minus 18. This is 108k is equal to 13k square. I think from here you can go further. बेटा हो जाएगा?
Yes, ma'am.
K की 2 वैल्यू मिल जाएंगी. Moment आपको K की 2 वैल्यू मिल गई, you can put back in the equation of plane, and from there you can further solve this. Right? So I think this is done. So let us quickly have an eye on the exercise. अब एक बार मुझे जो आपके स्फीयर के डाउट्स, कुछ डाउट्स तो मेरे पास ग्रुप में आए हुए हैं और कुछ मेरे को जो मैंने कहा था मैं करवाऊंगी. प्लीज मुझे एक बार वो क्वेश्चन नंबर और एक्सरसाइज नंबर लिख के प्लीज एनीबडी कैन सेंड मी इन द ग्रुप. सो प्रोबेबली नेक्स्ट वीक वी विल ट्राई टू टेक ऑल द क्वेश्चंस ऑफ स्फीयर्स जो हमारे पास डाउट में है. इज इट फाइन?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you see, find the equation of the tangent plane to the sphere. So point is given, sphere is given. So direct question, then find the equation of the sphere whose center is this and which touches the plane. So radius is not given, but we know कि अगर हम इस point से perpendicular distance गिराएं इस plane के ऊपर, so that will be equal to the radius. Beta, is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Third question again, find the value of A for which this plane touches the sphere. So again the same concept, perpendicular distance from the plane center will be equal to the radius. So जो भी क्वेश्चंस यूनिवर्सिटी में आए हुए हैं, you can try those questions. Rest questions you can read. कोई क्वेश्चन टिपिकल लगता है सॉल्व करो, नहीं सॉल्व होता तो मेरे को भेजो. Now find the equation of the sphere which touches the sphere at point 1 2 minus 2 and passes through the origin. So now what about this question? Let us come back to this question. Let us come back to this question. This is typical. University में भी आया हुआ. Show that the plane, this plane touches the sphere. हो जाएगा?
Yes, ma'am.
And find the point of contact. ये example है बिल्कुल जैसे हमने किया था. अगेन सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन इज टोटली सेम, सेवेंथ क्वेश्चन इज टोटली सेम। सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन करने से पहले ये ध्यान रखना है, अगर आप देखो कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर वाई स्क्वायर एंड जेड स्क्वायर इज 3, तो पहले इस पूरी इक्वेशन को 3 से डिवाइड करना है। इज इट फाइन?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then show that the plane touches the sphere. So this is fine. Find the point of contact. This is also fine. Also show that every point of the plane other than the point of contact is an exterior point of the sphere. Every point of the plane. So this one I'll do. कल करेंगे ये question. This I'll do. Let us first quickly go through the questions and identify which questions I have to do, which you can try yourself. Find the coordinates of the point on the sphere, the tangent planes at which are parallel to this plane. ये भी हो जाएगा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
निकालने हैं, तो बेसिकली आपको क्या निकालना है? पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट निकालना है इस क्वेश्चन में।
Yes, ma'am. पहले टेंजेंट प्लेन
पहले टेंजेंट प्लेन लोगे, टेंजेंट प्लेन को k ले लोगे, टेंजेंट प्लेन बन जाएगी 2x minus y plus 2z plus k is equal to 0। तो पहले तो k की वैल्यू निकलेगी, परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सेंटर विल बी इक्वल टू द रेडियस, फिर उसके बाद पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट निकलेंगे। तो एक तरह से इसने दो क्वेश्चन को कंबाइन कर दिए। Then find the equation of the sphere which passes through the circle and touches the plane. So this is again the example type question. Again, next question is totally same. The 12th question is totally same. 13th question is totally same. Now find the equation of the tangent plane to the sphere which passes through the lines. So this is totally same. जो भी अभी हमने example किया है, बेटा हो जाएगा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then 15th question, find the equation of two tangent planes which passes through the line. Again, same question, find the equation of two tangent planes to the sphere which intersect in the line. Same question, find the equation of two tangent planes which can be drawn through the line. So if you see in this question, you can take one line as x minus 5 by 2 is equal to y minus 1 by minus 2। यहाँ से एक लाइन मिल जाएगी और दूसरी लाइन आपको कहाँ से मिल जाएगी? यहाँ से। बेटा इज इट फाइन?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
तो दो आपको लाइंस मिल गई, तो ऑब्वियसली दिस इज सेम एज एग्जांपल। Then if any tangent plane to the curve x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square makes intercept ABC on the coordinate axis. So you see यहाँ से intercept form से आपको what is the equation of the plane? What is the equation of the plane? अगर plane A coordinate को meet करती है तो equation of plane क्या होती है? This you should remember now. हमने पहले भी किया था planes में। क्या बनेगी?
X upon A
plus y upon
plus
b
y upon B
plus z
plus
upon
Z
c is equal to
is
1.
equal to 1.
So equation of plane मिल गई, equation of circle sphere आपको given है, so obviously you will use the concept। पर center कितना है? What is the center of the sphere? 0 0 0
0 0 0
and radius is r.
R.
So obviously what we will use? Perpendicular distance from the
हो
center,
जाएगा.
right? So directly हो जाएगा। So therefore perpendicular distance कितना बनेगा? x की जगह 0, y की जगह 0, z की जगह 0, सब कुछ 0 हो गया, -1 आ गया। नीचे coefficient of x is what? 1 by a square, 1 by b square, 1 by c square. So this is equal to r, radius. Radius is r. So what you can do? So -1 is what? R into under root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square plus 1 by c square. So you can square both the sides. So what do you get? 1 is equal to r square, under root खत्म हो जाएगा,
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, आपका माइक शायद ऑफ है। मैम आपकी वॉइस नहीं आ रही।
गर्ल्स अभी आ रही है आवाज?
अब आ रही है।
Yes, ma'am.
मुझे लगता है वो पढ़ाते पढ़ाते मुझे लगा मैंने कुछ क्लिक कर दिया है. Okay, so we'll just stop here. Okay, just see question number 19. Same question है, if the tangent plane to the sphere,
Yes, ma'am.
right? यहाँ पे सिर्फ k square आ रहा है साथ में, तो equation of sphere कितना बन जाएगा? x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square by k square. So,
Yes, ma'am.
पहले क्वेश्चन में रेडियस r था, इस क्वेश्चन में रेडियस r by k हो जाएगा. Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
So what we'll do, we'll continue from here. So tomorrow I'll discuss 20, 21st, 22nd question, and I will discuss the previous two parts जो मैंने छोड़े हैं. Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay बेटा, thank you. So we'll meet tomorrow.
थैंक यू मैम।
Absent कौन है आज?